this whole Aura versus Bqool thing series of video that I'm doing right here on YouTube, because if you do not know, I'm changing my repricer. I've changed my repricer. I used to use Bqool. I made a ton of content on Bqool, and I switched to Aura, okay, which I believe as of now, and the camera is a little bit high, but whatever. And I believe as of now that, let me get back a little bit, it's going to be better. So far, I truly believe that Aura is the better product, all right? And so I made a ton of videos on it, and I want to show you guys, I want to tell you guys, this is one of the reasons why I get really pissed off when people come on the channel and leave comments saying that, oh, I'm a guru, or like get pissed off when I do not answer something, such as the thing that happened recently with the guy that asked about what VPN I use, and I said they're all the same, and the guy get pissed off. And you may have noticed that I really, really get pissed off about that thing. And you're going to get an answer as to why, and you're going to see that I'm actually losing money. The truth is that I'm actually losing money by recommending you guys to use Aura instead of Bqool. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about that. But before we start, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangoons. I release daily videos right here on YouTube about selling on Amazon. So if you're new, subscribe and like this video so you get recommended more videos. So, as I said, you may not realize it, but like, I'm a partner with both Aura, not a partner, but I'm an affiliate with both Aura and Bqool. The truth is that I was making a cool little amount of money with Bqool before. And the truth is that I worked a lot for it because I created a lot of content for Bqool. I was making almost, at one point I was making almost $100 a month, which is a cool little something, you know, it pays for groceries for 1 week almost. All that, you know, it's cool, it's a cool little extra money that you get and that I used to get from that, you know. And it's not that it's a lot of money and that I'm actually losing a lot of money because of that. And yes, I'm actually like, it went from this to, and it actually started going down a little bit the last couple of months. But it went from this to this month. I actually got $3. Okay, I got $3 from Bqool by me actually recommending their product. And so, actually, the reason why I'm making this video is to tell you guys the reason why, as I said, I actually get pissed off with people like this, and when I get called a guru and all that stuff, because I do a lot of shit for free here, and I could, if I wanted to, I could go full guru mode and make a shit ton of money with my stuff, okay, with my personal brand and all that stuff, which I'm not doing, because I actually enjoy creating videos daily and actually helping you guys. And like, this is the reason why, if you've seen me snap on people right on YouTube, this is the whole reason why. This is why it pissed me off so much, because this is not the only thing. If you knew all the things that I could have done to make money with my personal brand with this YouTube channel, even my own product, I do not even push my own products that much. I could have charged for stuff a long time ago, and this is really why, you know, I get pissed off whenever people say stuff like that, and why I snap on people when stuff like that happen. Because I'm telling you, I could be making way more money with this shit. I could go full guru mode, run a ton of ads, sell a course, make a ton of money, create a funnel, and make that my whole business. And I would be making way more money with this than I am making with Amazon. I could stop selling on Amazon and sell you guys this bullshit. 100%, and make way more money. Okay, run some ads, run some funnels, make some money, put money, take money from my Amazon business, invest it in that business, have a 7-figure digital product business. Easy. Is it easy to implement? No. Do I know about marketing? Yes, I know about marketing. I know to run that stuff. Okay, so this is the reason why I get pissed off when things like that happen. The truth is, and I guess this is going to be the last video in this video series, and I need to close it because there's not a lot more to say about Aura. I've been using Aura. I'm going to stick with Aura. If I have to choose in between Bqool and Aura, I'm going to stay with Aura. All right. And the truth is that, as I said, I'm not even making any money with the affiliate program from Aura just yet. Okay. I think that one guy signed up. That's it. So this is why I get pissed off. And like, yeah, you know, like, to be honest, like I'm telling you, and I'm going to tell you in this video, to me, right now, Aura, and I'm not even making money to say that, I'm actually making less money. And actually, there was one guy when I actually said that I moved from Bqool to Aura that actually left them. Oh no, it was Inventory Lab to box him. Forget what I'm saying. But yeah, like, yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. That's what's really getting me pissed off. And I'm telling you right now, straight up, Aura is a way better product than Bqool, in my opinion. It may not be true for everybody. For me, today, as of, what's today's date? As of September 9, 2024, Aura is a better product. All right? So that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I really had to say this. And yeah, I'll see you guys for tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.